We are nearing the end of the renovation of this beautiful home in the county. We were able to buy this property. The owner had an unfortunate situation where someone was living here and he wasn't being able to collect rent. We purchased the property as is, and as you can see, we came through and did floors, windows, paint, an all new kitchen in here being finished up, stainless steel appliances, brand new everything. Redid the entire bathroom in this space. Tile on the walls, tile on the floors. Brand new, finishing up these bedrooms. And it also has a basement, finished basement. If you've got a property that you're interested in selling, that you'd like to see us breathe new life into, please give us a call, 540-595-6511. Thanks.